Everyone talks about cryptocurrency, but what's behind it? What makes it work? The answer isn't magic. It's something called blockchain. In this video, we'll unpack blockchain in the simplest way possible. What it is, how it works, and why it's changing how we think about trust and money. The problem blockchain solves. Before blockchain, all online transactions depended on trust. We trusted banks to move our money. We trusted companies to protect our data. But that trust often gets broken. Systems fail, data leaks, or middlemen charge high fees. Blockchain was created to solve this problem by replacing trust in people with trust in math and code. What exactly is a blockchain? A blockchain is like a digital notebook shared among thousands of computers. Every time someone makes a transaction, like sending Bitcoin, it gets written into this notebook as a block. Once written, that block is locked in place and linked to the one before it, forming a chain. That's why it's called a blockchain. How a block gets added. Here's how a new block is added. Once someone makes a transaction, computers in the network check if it's valid. This is called verification. Once verified, it's grouped with other transactions to form a block. That block gets sealed with a digital fingerprint called a hash, like a unique ID number. Finally, the block is linked permanently to the chain. Why it's secure? Blockchain is secure because no single person controls it. It's decentralized. Every participant holds a full copy of the ledger. If one computer gets hacked, the rest of the network still agrees on the true record. To change even one transaction, someone would need to rewrite the history on thousands of computers at once. Almost impossible. So how do all these computers agree on what's true? That's called consensus. Think of it like a digital vote. Each computer checks the math. If most agree, the transaction is accepted. Two main systems run this vote. Proof of work, used by Bitcoin, where miners solve puzzles. Proof of stake, used by Ethereum, where people stake coins to validate. Public versus private blockchains. Not all blockchains are the same. Some, like Bitcoin, are public. Anyone can join, read, or verify. Others are private, used by companies or governments for security and control. Both follow the same principle: shared, unchangeable data, just with different access levels. Beyond money. Real-world uses. Blockchain isn't just for cryptocurrency. It's used for supply chains to track goods, healthcare records, voting systems, NFTs and gaming, smart contracts that run automatically when rules are met. So blockchain is becoming the backbone of the digital future, quietly powering more than just money. The limitations. But blockchain isn't perfect. It's powerful but slow. It's transparent but sometimes expensive. Mining uses energy and scaling is hard. Developers are still improving it, making blockchains faster, greener, and easier to use. Let's recap what you've learned. Blockchain is a shared digital ledger. It removes the need for middlemen. Every block is verified, sealed, and linked forever. It's decentralized, secure, and transparent. It's not just for crypto. It's for everything that needs trust. The blockchain revolution is just getting started. So now you know how blockchain really works, the backbone of crypto and the foundation for everything we'll explore next. If you haven't watched our first video, What is Cryptocurrency? Explained simply, check it out after this. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, smart explanations on crypto, trading, and finance. Until next time, keep hustling.